My name is Alex Barker and I'm the V-Cone Product Manager here at McCrometer. We employ a highly talented and diverse team of engineers who are highly skilled and trained in order to review specific customer specifications to meet your needs. We're able to work with all the way from very simple and basic quotes, just taking a customer data sheet, all the way to hundreds of pages of specs for some of our more detail-oriented customers. When we look at the different types of fluids that we're able to evaluate here, as simple as water and steam, all the way to cryogenic fluids, we're able to review specs, integrate them according to these specific requirements that our customers need. You tell us what you want, and we're going to be able to provide it to you. In addition to the rigorous amount of detailed engineering that we put in through our project management team, we also want to ensure that the materials that we're buying are in absolute accordance with the specs that our customers are providing us. At a base level, McCrometer ensures that all materials purchased to manufacture the V-Cone are certified to NACE MR 10175 to ensure compliance for oil and gas industry, as well as 3.1 certified, so it's traceable back to the specific heat and the specific facility that that material is manufactured in. That's the basic level. If we want to take a look at some of the higher, more complex specs, where the customer is telling us exactly what they want specifically, we're able to use a broad base of industrial supply to provide those materials in accordance with your ASTM specifications, with an approved vendor list to give you these specific vendors in the specific countries that you might want those materials to come from. Additionally, we can have additional material requirements that are placed on it. If you need higher levels of certification, such as a 3.2, or for cryogenic services, if you want to do impact testing on something that is maybe not a low-temp carbon steel or a stainless steel, we're all able to provide all of that. Beyond just material testing, we're able to provide third-party services that are able to meet or exceed the various requirements that our customers give out, such as pickle and passivation, painting, calibration, through a number of different facilities. And we ensure through our mode of quality management processes in the procurement department that those vendors that we use are qualified to the same level, the same strong expectations that we assume for our own manufacturing capabilities.
Hello, my name is Greg Rojas. I'm the Focus Factor Supervisor here in V-Cone Manufacturing, and I've been here for 9 years. Each of our associates at McCrometer are top-notch, and we give 100% to quality all the way through for every process. We strive for first pass yield with everything we do. From the beginning to the end, from the materials to the process, we want to make sure that all dimensions are correct first time around. So we always spot check all the way through the entire process. Every one of our associates are committed 100% to building quality product for our customers. Our welders are world class. When you see the quality of our welds on our V-Cones, it gives you the wow factor. It's amazing to see the welds that the welders put down every day on these V-Cones. Our team has been building quality products for over 60 years.
Hello, my name is Mike Dyer with McCrometer. I'm an applications engineer. I've been with McCrometer 25 years. The Flow Lab plays a direct role in the accuracy and quality of the V-Cone meter. The purpose of the Flow Lab, which is right behind me, is to determine the flow coefficient of the meter. If that flow coefficient isn't accurate, the meter's not accurate. So we take great steps in trying to make sure that our Flow Lab is accurate. First step, all of our instruments are NIST traceable. Second is that we have certification from NavLab, so we get audited by NavLab and ISO. Third thing is that when we do a calibration for a V-Cone, we use 3 DP transmitters. That gives us less uncertainty. And the last thing is that we have 4 stands that we can calibrate V-Cones in. And that way we can do inter-lab comparisons. We had a customer that, or a group of customers that had about 17 meters, and the EPA was requiring them to recalibrate periodically. So we compiled that data, and over a 20-year period, there were 17 meters. The meters stayed within approximately 1% accuracy over 20 years. I think the biggest factor is that we have engineering that goes back 35 more years on the V-cone, so we know how to make it work and all the different applications that are good and not good for the V-cone.